welcome back to my channel Adonis the Brighter World. My name is Adonis Abraham. As I promised last video, I'll show you about my pets and my plants and show you about my house too. This is Peach. She is 3.5-year-old, and my dad has friend and found her on the street and we have adopted her. And this is Whiskey. I adopted her. She's 1.5-year-old and she is a puppy. And she's a playful, naughty dog, and she's playful. Sometimes she'll try to play with Peach, and Peach will get sometimes angry and she'll get bit.
So yes, I would also request all the people, please do not dump the home dogs on the street, because they will not be able to survive on the street. So I also request all kids, if possible, to try to please adopt a dog from the street instead of buying it. All dogs are meant to be same like humans. Like in the case of humans, all humans are same. It also means all dogs are also same in respective of their breed. Yeah, so this now we'll be showing you few of our plants. Okay, and this is our sitting section, where we have recycled lot of scrap tires which I had found on the street. I have made 2 sitting place and a table out of it, and generally in the evening we do have a barbecue session here. Yeah, so please have a look around about our plants.
And this is a minion pot. Me and my dad has painted. This
Yeah,
is
we
my
have
favorite
painted this.
character.
Yeah, we have tried to utilize all space whatever possible to have the plants.
And please, friends, grow more plants and put what is it?
Yeah, so friends, please try to grow more plants in home.
And it looks beautiful, your home.
Yeah, it makes the home looks beautiful.
And good for your health.
Yeah, and it's also good for the health. Yeah, let's
go outside, Adam, go.
yeah. The dogs are also following you.
Some minion colors, me and my dad has painted, and we put some pots here.
And Adonis, which is your favorite plants? You forgot to introduce.
Oh yeah, these are my favorite plants.
These are Adonis' favorite plants. I have painted these to his favorite cartoon characters like Minions. So the idea of painting these pots to their favorite characters is so that the kids get more interested into plants. So as Adonis was saying, kids, please grow more plants and take care of it. Yeah, this is some wooden scrap whichever I have found, and I tried to make use of the best of it.
And this is my dad, and it's made of
Yeah, this is some toilet fittings which I had lying in my house and which I converted to some beautiful flower pots. Yeah, this is a commode, a flush tank, a wash basin.
sometimes my dad sometimes gets some junk in the door and bring it home and think about something like that.
Yeah, I tried to create some stuffs with this junk. I tried.
So Dadu, let's show the recycling bottle painting.
Yeah, so this is some 5-liter water cans which I have converted and made it to some smiley face paintings and converted them into pots. And these are some 2-liter water bottles.
And I really like the green one.
Yeah, this is Adonis' favorite Halloween painting. This is, I think, if I'm not wrong, it should be a Coca-Cola bottle. So guys, please recycle all these plastic waste products what you have. You can just make some small paintings out of it and make it look beautiful.
So friends, hope you like this video and learn something out of it. And so friends, please like and share and comment on the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get more updates on my future videos. So all of you, stay home and stay safe. Bye for now. For my next video, I will tell you about recycling things and making something beautiful out of it. Bye. See you.